So I'm going to show you how to enable repair mode on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So let's say you want to take your phone to the repair shop and someone's going to be touching your phone and you don't want them to access your sensitive data like photos and messages and stuff like that. And you don't also want to delete that data. You simply go into settings and then go to about phone at the top there and then go down and find repair mode. So you can tap on that and then it says your data is secure. You can also go a step further and back up your data fast before doing this. But once you've done all that, you need to agree to the user data disclaimer, tap on agree, and then turn on repair mode. Now, to turn on repair mode, your phone is going to restart in repair mode. So just give it time to restart. So once it restarts, as you can see, it says we're now in repair mode. And so you can see everything is working. The person repairing your phone will be able to just go through the interface. They can go through the settings, right? But if they try and go to messages, they should not find messages. So you can see the messages icon has disappeared. If they go to the notes app, they'll not find any of your notes. It's going to be like a brand new phone. All right. So now to exit repair mode, all you have to do is swipe down and tap on turn off repair mode. So you want to tap on that and then select repair mode. That's going to take you to repair mode. Now, of course, you can also go to repair mode via settings. So if you go into settings, about phone, and then go back to repair mode, it knows you're in repair mode. So to turn off repair mode, simply tap on turn off. Of course, it's going to ask for your password. Once you enter your password, it's now turned off repair mode and you can see all your stuff is here, your messages are back, everything should be back to normal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.